Hi there. Accessing high-quality HD imagery in your account is super simple. To get started, go to the Site Model section of your project, and you have two options. You can click on Enable HD Imagery, or you could cycle through the available imagery options. This is Google currently. Here's Bing. Or you could select Get HD Imagery. If you choose that option, you'll get this dialog box, and you'll have the ability to change the area for which you are choosing or selecting HD imagery. You also have the option to select different vintages. So in this case, I'm going to choose images from 3 different years just to see how the site has changed over time. I'll click on Get Imagery. And you will notice that Aurora defaults to the most current Nearmap image available. By clicking on this drop-down menu, I can choose different vintages. It's important to note that this HD imagery works in concert with the other options that Aurora offers. For example, Street View will still be available. If you have run out of credits or you don't have credits available in your Aurora account, in the top right, click on Settings, and you can select On-Demand Services, which will enable you to purchase new credits and new bundles of HD imagery.